This is my bike check. So we have ODI long neck grips, Shadow Voltus bars, just got these new. Stock stem, it's pretty good. Demolition Momentum wide wall tires, and a Mission Echo front rim. I have a peg that I got from my friend. The frame is just stock. Stolen Thermalite pedals, just a little muddy. Stock cranks. Shadow Crow sprocket with a Colt chain on it. King Fat seat. And then I have the same back tire, a little bit skinnier. Demolition Momentum. Mission React back wheel. I got it on the right side so that when I grind, I don't fucking bend my sprocket and snap my chains anymore. And another pig that I got from my friend. Yeah, that's about it, I think. I have to do like that. Oh. It's not that loud.
Alright, how dialed is it?